Hi, welcome again. In this lesson, we will see what is head and how it works. Git head command will show the last recent commit and also the previous commit history at that particular commit ID. Let us see all the commit IDs using git log --one line. And now if we want to see the last commit history of the project, we need to use the command git show head. All the letters are in capital letters. This will show the last commit history of the project status. At this fourth commit, it is showing one red color print statement and two green colored print statements. It means that one old change for the commit modification and totally two changes or modifications for this fourth commit. The same history can be seen using its commit ID. So let us copy and paste the fourth commit ID. So this is the fourth commit ID. If we just select in the Git terminal, this selection will be copied automatically. So no need to press Ctrl+C from the keyboard. Let us paste it using Git Show and then the commit ID. In order to paste in the Git terminal, either we can right click and click on the paste icon, or we can press Shift plus Insert key from the keyboard. So Shift and then Insert key. If you don't have an insert key in your keyboard, you can simply right click and click on the paste icon and then press enter. Once again, we got the same result. Now let us see all the commit history of the project at a particular commits. For that, let us see all the commit IDs using the git log --one line. Now let us copy and paste the second last recent commit ID. Actually, it is the third commit ID. Here we can see the changes made to our project at this commit stage. As we can see from the project status, we have added only the third file to the project while doing the third commit with the message third commit and added example3 file. So because of the same reason, it is showing all the lines of the code added in green color, and also notice that we have not made any changes to the previously added files at this commit position. We just added the single file, hence it is showing all the lines in green color. So in order to go back to our Git terminal from the Git Show HEAD terminal, in order to come out from the Git Show terminal, we need to press colon and then Q. Again, if we see the project status tree at the second commit position or timeline, we can use Git Show and then second commit ID. Here we can see both the new modifications to the two files, example1 and example2 Python files. So because of this reason, it is showing two green colored text lines along with the print statement, first modification for second commit. The same can also be seen in our Excel file maintained to show the project status at various commit positions. Finally, if we go back and see the project status, the very first commit, that is at the initial commit position, using Git Show HEAD 3 using the tilde symbol and then the numerical number 3. Here we can see that we have added two Python files to our project, and this is the first commit, so we do not find any modification also. It means that Git Show HEAD works in two flavors. One, Git Show and then HEAD with the tilde sign. We can go back and see the recent commits using the numerical numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. up to nth commit number, or we can just copy and paste the commit ID. If you know the commit ID at a particular timeline, you can use the commit ID by looking at the commit log history using git log -- one line. Or if you want to see the exact commit ID using the numerical number, we can use Git Show HEAD tilde symbol and then the numerical number. So this is all about HEAD and its use. It shows all the history of the project at various commit positions or timeline. So now let us start doing the changes in read-only mode using the Git checkout. For that, let us move to the next lesson.